You are stepping into a cycle of success, and not everyone can come. You're going to be cycling out people who do not belong in this new phase of your life, because where you are going and where these individuals are going are two separate places. Now, as harsh as that seems, hear me out, hear me out. It's necessary, okay? Because these individuals, they were happy when you were struggling. Some of these individuals did not believe in your vision. Okay. Some of these individuals turned their back on you when you were a struggling artist. And you're going to get yourself into a position whereby you're going to make it. Okay. All those things that you were told you couldn't do, you're going to achieve them. Some of you are going to get a degree, a master's, a PhD. Some of you are going to move abroad. Some of you are going to go on holiday. And some of you haven't traveled in years. You're going to connect with family members that you haven't seen in years. Some of you are going to launch your own online channel and it's going to go viral. Some of you are going to launch your own podcast and it's going to go viral. Some of you are going to launch a blog and same applies. It's going to be extremely successful. Some of you are going to get signed to sponsorships. Record deals is what I'm hearing. I'm also hearing you're going to sign a sports contract. Some of you are going to sign a modeling contract. Some of you are going to sign a fashion contract. Acting gig that you audition for, you're going to get it. A role that you wanted in theatre, you're going to get it. Some of you are teachers. Some of you are lecturers. And you're going to get jobs in schools that are very well respected schools, schools that have teachers that do actually care about the children and that do produce good results for exams. Some of you are going to be highly acclaimed for your skills and talents, especially if you are in the public eye, and you don't have to be in the public eye on TV or online. This could be in your community. This is worldwide though, but it's something that you're going to do at your workplace. Even if you work in corporate, if you work in an office, if you work in retail, you're going to be the star of the show. Okay, some of you are going to get a promotion, a bonus. You're going to climb up the career ladder, become a manager, supervisor. If you are already in those positions, you're going to be well known within the organization that you work for as the one to watch, as well as one of the best. Okay, whenever people mention your company's name, your face will always come in their mind. You're going into a new phase. This phase is no joke. This phase that you're going into, this cycle you're going into is long awaited, but you have to leave the past behind, because there have been people in the past that have been trying to stagnate you. These individuals could be friends, they could be colleagues, they could be family members. They see your potential, they saw your potential, and they felt scared that if you go into this new cycle, you're going to forget about them. And because of this, they try to set traps in your way so that you don't leave them. And it's due to selfishness in some cases. For others of you, it's due to jealousy, because they felt like they should have your talents and skills. They should be in the position that you're in. They should have the opportunities that you are going to gain, that you're going to get, because it's already written, right? And they waited for your downfall. But the more they waited, the more you worked on yourself, because you are a leader. You are a powerful force to be reckoned with. And some of these people didn't want to be led by you. They wanted to be in the forefront. Okay, they didn't want to have to admit that you are the truth. Okay, you are that girl, you are that guy. You are who you say you are. And some of you don't even claim to be anything. You know, your energy signature is powerful. You leave your mark in your work. You walk with grace. You are regal. You are of royalty. You know, your essence is unmatched, unbeatable. And some of you are so humble, you don't even gloat. You know, you don't even try and downplay others because, again, you want everyone to win. But unfortunately, not everyone is like that. You are a triple threat. You are beautiful, you are handsome, you are charismatic, you are magnetic, you are attractive, you are amazing. And your skills and talents, as well as your essence and your likability factor, is going to generate in a lot of income. Okay? Everything that was snatched away from you will return. So even in the past, if someone got like a role that you were supposed to get, if someone got a job that you should have been in, right? If someone done something before you, achieved something before you, when they were in secret competition with you, you are still going to achieve much better. So even if someone tried to destiny swap in the past, because that's what it is, okay, let's just be real here. If people try to rewrite history, as my cousin Gina mentioned, we was having a discussion about this, it doesn't matter, because they can try and steal your identity, not literally, but steal your essence, you know, embody your energy, but they will never be you. And what is destined for you is always going to be destined for you. People have tried to sway you off your path, my darling, because they can see how bright your future is. With your skills and talents and your likability factor, you're going to go far. So no matter what blockages stood in your way, it doesn't matter. Because regardless, you are destined for success. You are destined for a life of abundance, inner peace, first and foremostly, and financial blessings, good health. Some of you are going to go into leadership positions. Some of you are going to be bosses and CEOs. Some of you are going to run your own company. You're coming out of that fear, you know, that you had that held you back. And these fears could have been projections from others, you know, people telling you what you can't be, people trying to suppress you, people triggering you intentionally and knowing that it was working because it slowed you down. These individuals are going to get karma, you know, and for some of you, you may actually witness this. And for some of you, Spirit is urging you to remove yourself from these individuals because you don't want their karma spilling over into your life, because they try to keep you stuck with them because they feel like their life is in a shambles, and to slow you down would mean that you would not meet your goals, and you're going to be cycling these people out. They're going to be clinging on to your energy though, because these individuals, some of them are very obsessed with you. Okay? They have been investing in things that are not coming into fruition. And because you are going to be achieving so much, some of them will be investing in your downfall. Some of them may go as far as trying to manipulate energy. But again, you're going to be so far gone from these individuals energetically that whatever energy they're trying to project outwardly to slow you down is going to ricochet right back to them, because their vibrations are low, so they will be more susceptible for these attacks. You're on your way to success, and these individuals are going to be running back, begging